There we go. First big bike in thingy, Vietnam. No, I'm not crossing over just yet, am I? So let's get a little zoom in. And I'm going to run the gauntlet. I'm running the gauntlet. I think it's a Kawasaki. I'm not sure though. I like the shape of the tank and that. Yeah, it's a Kawasaki. My mate's got one of these, I think. That's my first big... Oh, it's a bike shop. Well, I've never even seen that. It's a bike shop. So we've got a motorbike shop. So we've got to go in as a matter of interest, haven't we? Just to see what the prices are like.